Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to check your results on website. First, go to official website at http Governor Sindh Result. On the homepage, you will find a link that says Check Your Results. Click on that link. Next, a form will appear where you need to enter your registration number and CNIC number. Enter your registration number in the Registration Number field. Enter your CNIC number in the CNIC Number field. Remember to enter your CNIC number without dashes or spaces. After filling out the form, click the Get Result button. Once you click the Get Result button, your result will be displayed on the screen. You can view your result. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments how you found the video and what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Goodbye.